Hi, I'm Lexi. Let's learn 10 stylish compliment words in English. Number 1, snazzy. It means stylish, attractive, and lively. Example, that's a snazzy jacket. Number 2, spiffy. It means neat, smart-looking, and well put together. Example, you look spiffy in that suit. Number 3, chic. It means elegant, fashionable, and stylish. Example, her outfit is so chic. Number 4, dapper. It means very neat and stylish, especially for men. Example, he looks dapper in a blue blazer. Number 5, trendy. It means fashionable and up to date. Example, those shoes are really trendy. Number 6, classy. It means elegant, graceful, and tasteful. Example, that dress looks classy. Number 7, polished. It means smooth, refined, and sophisticated. Example, her polished look made her stand out at the event. Number 8, sharp. It means smart-looking and well-dressed. Example, you look sharp today. Number 9, swanky. It means stylish in a rich, flashy, or impressive way. Example, her swanky outfit made her look like a celebrity. Number 10, peppy. It means lively, energetic, and cheerful. Example, she has a peppy personality. Okay, that's a wrap. You're officially one step snazzier in English. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and come back for more fun English words with me. Bye for now.